today at Dalaguete, Cebu, which niingon si ma'am na ang pag-pronounce is Dalaguete. We entered the Montenegro Street, just left side of the municipal hall of Dalaguete. Miss Jean, thank you so much for responding to my call. I actually chatted their page and hapit na 7, so nag-uul ko kay wa na, close na sila. But we actually talked before sa comment section na okay ra, if wala pa 7, she can adjust. So thank you so much, Greater Good. They're in Facebook. Please search Greater Good. I will show you some video clips showing the products that are available here. So if you're in a hurry and you're looking for healthy food, so health enthusiasts, mga yoga addicts, mga hilig og kanang sports, this is a good place for you because they have a lot of healthy snacks, meals available. They even have katong smoothie bowls. Remember I think you're familiar with Siargao, and there are smoothie bowls there. You don't have to go to Siargao, you don't have to go to Mualboal. It's available here in Dalaguete. So, I'll show you some clips and later on we'll try to interview Ma'am Jean if magpa-interview siya. So, thank you so much. Just stay tuned, guys. Hey guys, so at my back is Ma'am Jean, busy preparing the food that is being served here at Greater Good. Actually, daghan na kayo prepare diri sa akong atubangan, no? Maglisod may ani og dala. My God, so let's introduce you to each product that's being served here. First, we start with the granola bars.
Yeah.
Protein bars.
Granola bar.
Granola bars. Protein. Ano sa niyo sa protein?
Protein bites.
Bites. Okay. So these are granola bars. How much do they cost, ma'am?
Mostly 40 or 50 pesos lang na siya, ma'am.
40 or 50 per square?
Oo,
per square.
Based na siya sa per gram.
Okay. So it has raisins. What kind of oats?
Rolled oats na siya.
Rolled oats. And there's sesame.
Na siya chia
Chia
seeds.
seeds.
Na siya blueberries. Na siya pumpkin seeds. Sunflower seeds. So, daghan-daghan seeds.
May ubay. So it just looks so simple, but it's already packed with a lot of vitamins and minerals. So
Naako na siya complete protein blend.
Unsa?
Complete protein blend.
Protein blend?
Oo.
Unsa na siya?
Protein shake na siya, ma'am. Among ginasado.
Ah.
Product din nato.
So it has protein.
Yeah.
So if mga vegan,
yes, okay na din ka sa ilang.
it's good for vegan.
Pwede siya sa kuan ka nag-keto, pwede siya sa low carb. So mag-inform lagi sila what kind of diet ang ilahan gina-follow para makahibaw sa may unsa ang ihatag sa ilahan. So mostly labi na og katong mga low carb, gusto nila nga at least minimum 20 grams lang ang ilahang carbs in a day. So we can serve food para po sa ilahan.
So those are the mas maayo. Mas maayo. Oh. Ano yung siya balik? I-off na lang siya palihog. Thank you kayo. Moto na ka? So moto ang ilahang granola bars. Next is the protein bites. So why are they called? Is it similar ingredients? Ano sa difference niya?
Kana siya mas higher ang protein ana niya.
Higher ang
Pwede na siya
protein.
sa after gym or after workout meal.
Wow.
So
Build your muscles.
Yeah. Then mas higher po na siya og content sa fiber. Kana siya. So each 3 servings ana niya is na around 10 grams of protein. So
Okay.
perfect meal gina siya after workout or kanang after kanang na activities like diving, boxing, running.
How long will this last if
Last na
refrigerated?
siya inside sa ref 20 to 28 days.
Oh,
So, ina
pwede rin stock.
So, ang nakapatabi sa anak niya is only honey. So, wala mi added sugar na gimamis up there.
So, tanan?
all products are safe for diabetics. Yan, no.
Okay. So that is the protein bite. Next, I'm eating the ice cream because I love
Ice
berries,
cream cake na siya.
ice cream cake. What's in this?
So, protein ice cream gihapon. Non-dairy protein ice cream with probiotics. So, it has toppings like na siya real strawberry fruits, na siya sliced almonds, na siya blueberries, and cranberries.
Wow, I really love berries, and the good thing is non-dairy siya. Remember, if you know, I'm lactose intolerant, so pag hibaw na ko na ilahang ice cream, they also sell ice cream in, how do you call this, tubs? Pint? In pint. And I love the container because it's eco-friendly. So Greater Good Healthy Kitchen. They have ice cream flavors available are blueberry. They have mango float. They also have buko pandan, and they also have chocolate. How much is each ice cream?
That one is 200 pesos.
On 200, same price for all flavors?
Yes.
Okay.
Kana siyang ice cream is pwede na siya as meal replacement. Good as one meal. So, pwede
This one is good for
ice
one
cream.
meal.
Yes.
So, why? It has protein?
It has protein, na siya carbs, and na siya kanang probiotics na. So, good for, busog jud ka na for 3 to 4 hours.
Wow. And there are bowls in front of me.
That is chocolate smoothie bowl.
Chocolate smoothie bowl. So from the name itself, naay chocolate chips. Okay, so those are the 3 different flavors. Again, that's dragon fruit with chia, with almond,
Flax seeds, blueberries,
okay,
and
blueberry.
banana.
And it also has protein, right?
Yeah,
It's made of
the base is protein shake.
protein shake. This is strawberry? No,
Yeah,
strawberry. Unsa ni nasa kilid? Chocolate gihapon?
Nagputang ko cacao nibs.
Cacao nibs. Okay. And then chocolate. Muna siya, guys. So again, there are 3 flavors imong gina-serve dire.
I have actually 5 flavors ana niya ma'am, depende sa ang season kay nahay time
Okay.
avocado ang season. So
So it depends. No, the
Oo.
fruit that they serve with the smoothie bowl
so wala na
depends.
siyang ginakuan nga ang smoothie bowl namo is
Kaunon.
kuan na siya, naalagin siya dapat sa 180 to 200 calories lang siya.
Counted.
The ice cream is only 65 calories.
Ay tago. So, pila ning usa ka bowl?
Ang one bowl is 200 pesos. Pero good for 2 na gid na siya.
Okay.
Actually, wala lang gid na siya napuno karon kay
So for regular na orders, it should be full.
almost full gid
Almost
siya.
full good
Yeah.
siya. So since we're only sampling the products, muna siya guys. Ingani ra ang
Kay kids
kadaghanon.
baya ang kuan.
Yeah,
So,
we have
mostly, anak,
here
puno gid siya.
kids. So what else did I not introduce? I think this.
Mango ice cream cake.
Mango ice cream cake. There are real mangoes on top. Also almonds and cashew
Yeah.
and chia.
Yeah.
Okay. So, my goodness. Makahappy siya because once again, it's non-dairy. It's very safe for those who are lactose intolerant. So, ma'am, please invite our viewers to come and visit, or if they want to order, what number do they need to contact?
Visit us at Greater Good Cebu. So please like us on Facebook. We are on Facebook. We are also in IG. So contact us ahead so we can prepare your order. So it's 0948-806-8832. So we accept GCash, Paymaya, or cash. We deliver on Dalaguete, Poblacion area or nearby area. So if daghan ang orders, pwede rin namo siya i-bus ship. Thank you.
Bus ship. So remember, they have products that can last for almost a month.
Yeah.
So if mupalit man lang mo, ibulto na lang.
Oo.
Mas
Mostly
maayo.
pag sa
How about
order.
your ice cream? How long will it last?
It will last for 3 months.
Mm,
Yeah.
that's long.
Yeah.
Why is it different from the normal ice cream na dapat i-consume?
The difference is low calorie lang siya, high iyang protein, low po ang iyang fat content, and it also has probiotics na added.
So is it the probiotic causing the length of the life?
No.
Not really.
Actually, basta naka-ref lang yun na siya, dili siya daling madaot. So, with complete protein blends and safe for diabetics na yun na siya.
Oh, so di maguol, mga hinamis na di ganahan mga
Ang
problema.
mga lolo o lola o katong mga bata nga na ay problem
Na-amaze ko.
kuan.
Okay, so
makakonsume yun sa
So guys, they don't only sell those smoothie bowls, ice cream, the bars. They also have tea here. So there are a lot of variants you can choose from fruit mix. They have fruit mix. This is a 30-gram pack. How much is this fruit mix?
that is 250 pesos.
250 and it's 30 grams. They also have hibiscus roselle. 30 grams gihapon. Lain-lain siya og kanang
Detox tea siya, ma'am.
sige, kanang lain-lain siya og benefits per tea. So fruit mix, what will you get from the fruit mix? Promotes weight loss, boost immune system, relieve stress. So going back, we have also rose buds. Rose buds na 30 grams. So kani sila tanan 250. 250 sila tanan. Improve menstrual health, boost immune system, and promote skin health. So, mga hilig og tea diha. These are organic. Muna siya, rose buds. We also have lavender. Improve sleep, relieve stress and anxiety, induce relaxation. Order ni Kunipun. Lavender. They have the cocktail party blend. It's a different kind of tea, ma'am, no?
Oo. So, na ako mi-add nga tea blends, ma'am.
Lahi po na blend inyong isagol.
Oo. Pero okay na siya, maski ka na lang alone. So, that is 40 each.
40 each. So this is a dried fruit tea. Again, this is cocktail party blend. They have fruity delight blend. They also have tropical summer blend. And the fourth one is same rani.
Ang kanang usa kay kuan siya detox.
This one?
For detox.
This one is for detox. So they also have even kaning mga nuts.
Yeah, kanang mga ganahan.
Mixed nuts.
Undergo.
So these are mixed nuts na. Okay, so they have mixed nuts. Pila ni siya, ma'am?
That one is 50 each pack.
50 each pack. So mixed nuts. Kasi mga hilig og snacks di na healthy, di ganang junk food. You have an alternative here. 50 pesos lang ni siya. Please don't hesitate to contact Greater Good. Again, they're located in Montenegro Street here in Dalaguete, just left side of the Municipal Hall here in Dalaguete. So mauto siya, guys. Mga sa miha kay gabi na. So thank you so much, Ma'am Jean, for welcoming us despite the last minute request. So thank you so much, guys. Please don't forget to like and follow Greater Good in Facebook and IG.
Yes.
And IG. Thank you so much for watching this video and thank you so much for your support. See you again on our next vlog.
1, 2, 3, funky. My darling, I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you.